Hi, I'm Kim Warren and welcome to this short course on how dynamic business models can help understand the connection between your working business system and the environmental and social impacts that that has. And this is particularly important if you're tasked with the need to undertake what is known as integrated reporting of your business prospects and its impact on those external factors. So this short course should be useful and helpful for two audiences. Firstly, for business leaders and particularly for anyone with responsibility for an organisation's kind of sustainability efforts. This will help you to assess and manage those interactions between the business system and the other stakeholders beyond the boundaries of the business and with the natural environment. And it will help substantially with your ability to report on those external impacts. If you are a consultant or an analyst who's responsible for kind of putting together some of the information for these purposes and advising management, then you should see how dynamic business models can capture both the business performance in its own context and its impact on the environmental and social factors. So you'll be able to kind of put together much better the analysis that will be needed by those senior leaders. And the course is kind of pitched as being especially relevant to this whole question of what is known as integrated reporting, but it actually has far wider implications than that. Increasingly, our customers, our employees, we ourselves as executives trying to run our organisations have genuine concerns about the impacts that we have on wider society and on the wider environment. So whether you're required to undertake integrated reporting or not, this will very much help you with any of those interests to be kind of more environmentally and socially responsible. So what are we going to cover? Well, first, I will need to explain a little bit about what integrated reporting actually is for those organisations that are required to actually undertake this activity. It's sometimes known by that little acronym there, the IR with the two little diagonal brackets around it. That's its little icon, if you like. It turns out that the integrated reporting movement has built on something known as the 6 capitals model and what this does is to capture what are known as capitals that we need as inputs to enable us to run our business, and the outputs of things that we do that impact on those same 6 capitals. So I'll have a little section that explains all that. Now, in order to get to the impact that an organisation has on the external environment, we first need a rigorous quantified model of how a business system actually works and performs. So that's kind of where we start from. And from there, we will go on to add those interactions with the environment and with social factors. And I'll take a real case model in order to do both of those two things. And I will show you the results of a working model that actually does that for that case example. And I'll end with some next steps that you can take.